Driving a car is such a convenience, and such a normal part of life, that many people take it for granted. When you find yourself in a situation that you can't drive your car for one reason or another, at first you may begin to panic, not knowing what to do. Never fear, there is a solution available to you. Renting a car is a very common practice these days, and can make a very inconvenient situation simply disappear. There are many companies now that offer car rentals. The big names in car renting include Hertz Rent-A-Car, Enterprise, Alamo, Avis, and Budget. There are several more car rental locations that are available to you on a local or national level. When deciding which company to rent from, there will be many factors to consider. The first thing to consider is where the car rental company is located, and where you will be using the car. If you have been in a car accident, and your car is being repaired, you may need a car rental while yours is in the shop. In this situation, you will want to find a car rental company that is close to you, in your local area. Because you will be picking up and returning your car to the same location, your options are a little wider. You can take advantage of smaller rental companies who may offer better prices to compete with the large companies. On the other hand, if you are renting a car to drive to another state, and then flying home, or driving home with someone else, or in another vehicle, your best option will be to choose a company that has offices in both locations. In this situation, a larger company will be preferred. Convenience is an important factor to consider when deciding on a car rental company. For example, if you are flying into a new city and will be spending some time there, you want to rent a car from a company that has cars right at the airport. The larger companies generally have cars available to rent at most major airports across the country. If you have been in an accident and your car is being hauled off to the shop or the wrecking yard, you want to rent a car from a company that is willing to come pick you up where you are and take you to their office to get your rental. Finally, and most important, you will need to consider the price that each company is charging for their cars. Many companies charge a daily rate, but have a lower rate if you rent for a certain number of days at a time. Many companies give unlimited miles, but some only allow a certain number of miles and charge you per mile if you go over. Make sure to ask about any hidden or extra fees, such as rental car insurance, especially if your car insurance policy doesn't cover rental cars. If you keep all of these factors in mind, you should be able to find a car that suits your needs, and can fit in your budget, helping you get out of any inconvenient situation that may have been caused by being careless. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.